All right, hello everybody. We are back. I just did a pour, and I got paint left over here. If you want to see what all the colors are, go to the heart video. I think I'm going to call it Rising Hearts or something to do with hearts. We're going to start numbering our videos so we can reference things a little bit easier. But I will run through it just really fast. We got Artist Loft Brilliant Blue. We got Artist Loft Violet. We got Artist Loft Emerald Green. Those are all acrylic. Then we got Liquitex acrylic light portrait pink, Liquitex acrylic Alzerian crimson, Liquitex acrylic fluorescent pink, and then we just got black. Your basic good old acrylic black. All right, so those are all the colors we're using, and I don't have any specific idea of what I'm doing. So, which is probably what I say on every video, but I think I'm gonna just do try to do kind of a crazy, just dots everywhere. Just little dots everywhere, and then we'll do a swipe and see how it comes out. So, this is very random here. No particular order. Alright. This is that Alzerian crimson hue. This one's really pretty. Okay, let's do some of the pink here. Oops, okay, I guess that's where that one wants to go. Okay, and I guess that's where that one wants to go. Okay, let's go ahead and lift it up. Yeah, there we go, before I move it. There we go. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. I eventually catch on. I'm in the garage, so you can possibly hear a lot of noises in the background. People upstairs and stuff like that. The people under the stairs. Alright, there we go. This beautiful, brilliant blue over here that I love so much. I love this color. You know what, let's try something different. Let's do little tiny dots of this blue everywhere. And you know what, that's probably not going to be enough to do anything when I actually spread. Let me make them a little bit bigger there. This would be really interesting to see how this comes out. Although I tend to put the picture in the thumbnail, so you probably already know how it's going to come out. And that's why you clicked on the video, because you wanted to see how I did it. Well, there you go. This is how I'm doing it. Alright, 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 alright. I think I might even do dots within dots. See what that does. Okay, let's get some of this green. You know what, let's go a little nuts in the green and spray some more silicone in it. I got silicone in every single one. So I'm gonna spray a lot in that one and see what it does. Mix it up nice and good. All right. Oh, there's a lot of silicone in there. Try to do a lot of these green ones just because I put so much silicone in there that I really want it to spread through to the other ones. Oops. Alright. Did I do all the colors? I feel like I missed all the purple. The purple. Sorry, I said on my last video, I'm usually pretty talkative. I'm not super talkative today, so I do apologize. I'm sure there's some of you that are really appreciating that. And some of you that are going, oh, we like your dumb dad jokes. And I usually will sing some sort of song that comes to my head and see if you know the band and give you about 2 seconds to answer and then say what it is. Alright, so that's all the colors. Let's get some black in this puppy. I'm probably going to go through and do more on there, but yeah, I'm thinking here. Hold on a second. Let me think. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. These little cheap bottles on Amazon or even in a grocery store for ketchup and mustard and stuff, they work really good. I will say though, there's a lot of them that don't come with this little attachment that you can put back on top. I definitely would recommend that. Keep it from drying out. Don't buy the ones that don't have a, or you know, they've got the ones that have got the little caps that you can put on, but they're not attached to the bottle, and you end up just losing them. Or I mean, if you're real organized, then you do whatever the heck you want. But for me, I know I just end up losing them, so I like them attached to the bottle there. So right now, I'm not sure if I'm going to come back and really try to fill in all these gaps. I think I am, because obviously if you swipe it, I'm kind of curious just to swipe it like this and see what happens too, though, I'll be honest with you. But I think I have a lot of canvas left over if we do that. I'm worried about that. Gosh, it is so tempting just to swipe it and see what the heck happens. You know, some of you are like, well, then just do it if you want to do it. You know what I'm thinking though, is no matter what, I probably should get all the edges completely covered before I make that decision. Oops. Oh, that is one thing, but the cap, be careful because it can't get in there, so put it back in my hand like that. Now there is no silicone in the black. There is in the rest of the colors, but not in the black. And while we obviously want to try not to waste too much of it, sometimes you're gonna waste a little bit, just how it goes. Okay, so I just fast forwarded that part. Oops, sorry, keep bumping in the camera. Sorry about that. I wanted to, that took a long time, so I don't want it to sit there. So I'm thinking about just swiping this, but then I was curious before I do that, what it would look like to kind of mess with the look. I got lightheaded. So I was curious if I were to do that with all of them, would it look cool or not, you know? Yeah, that would look cool. That would look cool to do it to all of them, but I really want to see what it looks like when I swipe it, so I'm swiping it. I want to see it. I think you want to see it too. Well, like I said, you probably already know what it looks like because you clicked on the thumbnail. All right, let's, shoot, I don't want to use more paper towel. Try not to waste paper towel. Let's just use this old rag over here. But if it's too hard, think that'll work, but I'm just gonna really wet it down so it softens up a little bit here. Okay. Make sure we're still recording, and we are. All right. Let's hope this shirt's not messed up too much where it's still able to catch everything. Oh, I didn't mean to catch that well. Wow, that really didn't catch much there, did it? Or did it and just, you know what? Should I do it again? Yeah, shoot. Yep, I'm doing it again. I'm going for it. Going for it, and I hope I don't mess it up by doing it really fast. That's what I wanted to do, something like that. All right. Now, I think what I'm gonna have to do is use this here and blow on it a little bit. Let's see if we can't get these cells to open up a little bit. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, let's see what happens if we just move it, if we do this. Break them open a little bit. Still in frame there? Yeah, okay. Let me experiment a little here. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of thinking this just might be a sort of a bubbly one, just like this. Yeah, let's try to break up those cells just a little more here. I'll hold it a few different ways. Try to get them to break open through the black paint there a little bit. I'm wondering if maybe, yeah, I wonder if the shirt messed up. If I would have been better sticking with the paper towel. I don't know. I kind of wanted to keep that upward look, so I'm gonna have them go this way. The last one be this way. Yeah, it's starting to open up a little bit there. Okay. So sometimes you just gotta let things go. Yeah, I'm thinking that looks kind of cool. You know, it's kind of all coming through. Once it dries and get a little varnish or acrylic or resin or something on there. Although that purple at the bottom is annoying me down there. This little part right here, I can see too much canvas. So I'll do that and see if I can't kind of swipe it a little bit here. Yeah, that's better. I think that canvas might dry up a little bit right there. So I'm gonna take a clean stick here and get a little bit of this black. And just kind of fill the sides in a little bit. And even there too. Yeah, that looks much better. Looks like, you know what? It looks like I got a lot of canvas showing right there. A lot of canvas showing, a lot of canvas showing. Yoo-hoo, your canvas is showing. Alright. I Should help soak in there a little bit. A little bit, a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, see? There we go, see? Yeah, I actually like that. That looks pretty cool. You see, I can't tell how well that's coming through on the camera there. But I'm definitely liking it though. That's pretty. Now, I was hoping they'd pop through more, so I'm thinking there was probably too much black on there. I should have done more. You know what I want to try next time is you remember how I just did all the dots and then put the black around it? Just do the whole thing black and then put the dots on it and swipe. I bet you that would have came out better. It would have been all over the place where this one's more hidden. But you know, it's a little more subtle and some people like that. See, can I go a little bit closer for you? Yeah, you know what? I'll have to take it off and do some pictures. Well, anyways, I hope you liked it. And sub and subscribe and all that good stuff. And we will see you on the next one.